Hi, I'm Jim. I just got an iPhone 17 Pro and I got to put a screen protector on it. And I've got this Otter model, OtterBox Glass. And I've never put this kind of thing on before. And I'm going to show you how it's done. And we'll see if a rank beginner can do this in less than 3 or 4 days. So I got to clean it first. So the OtterBox gives you some cleaning stuff for the screen of the iPhone. And then there's this applicator for the screen that I'm going to have to figure out the orientation of, and let's see if I can get that right. The instructions actually come with this unit, and you can look at it. And I've looked at it, and I think I understand how this goes. Let's see if I really do. And the next step is figuring out what is the top of the phone, because that's important, because the applicator of the screen protector has a top, and it's actually printed on it. Now, why is that important? Well, there's a top and a bottom to the phone. If you turn this around, that's the top where the camera is. That'll become really important when you go to get the orientation right of the applicator, because the next step is to put this applicator for the screen protector on top of the phone. So this is the bottom, because that's where I'm going to be yanking while I'm holding this thing down. But the idea, as per the instructions, is to hold this firmly and pull this end out. It's the first time. I got to get it right the first time. There. All right. Next thing is to swipe your finger across. I did that. And then you got to wait a few seconds. Okay. And then you got to lift this thing off. And we're attached. It's there. There's some bubbles in it. Okay, so there's probably always going to be a couple little bubbles in there. You can press them out, and you could use your finger or some other kind of device that won't, scratch things. And I would say that this is a success.